Your PC has decent specs, but your games still stutter, and the FPS is lower than expected. Before blaming your hardware or spending money on upgrades, let's apply these 14 hidden Windows tweaks that can make an immediate difference. No bloatware, no risky third-party tools, just pure system-level optimizations that actually work. Step 1. Disable transparency effects and visual animations. Visual effects like transparency and animations look pretty, but consume GPU and CPU resources. To turn them off, go to your system settings, select personalization and open colors. Disable transparency effects. Then, navigate to advanced system settings, open the performance settings and choose adjust for best performance. Alternatively, you can manually uncheck visual options like fade and slide animations. This will free up resources, making your system feel more responsive, especially during multitasking and gaming. Step 2. Disable unnecessary startup apps via msconfig. Background apps can quietly slow down your PC by consuming RAM and CPU from the moment Windows boots. Press the Windows key and the R key together, type msconfig and press enter. Switch to the Services tab, check Hide all Microsoft services, and uncheck third-party services you do not need at startup, like Steam, Discord, or OneDrive. Fewer apps at startup means faster boot times and more available resources for gaming performance. Step 3. Disable memory compression to free up CPU load. Memory compression is intended to save RAM, but it can increase CPU overhead on systems with low memory. Open PowerShell as an administrator and run the command to disable memory compression. After restarting, verify it by running the command that shows the current memory compression status. If it is set to false, you have successfully disabled it. This tweak reduces unnecessary CPU workload, helping your PC run smoother when multitasking or gaming. Step 4. Enable the ultimate performance power plan. Windows often throttles your CPU speed to conserve power, which can lead to performance dips. To disable this throttling, open Command Prompt as administrator and run the command that enables the ultimate performance power plan. After that, go to Settings, open Power and Sleep Settings, select additional power settings and choose Ultimate Performance. This will ensure your CPU stays at its full potential without parking cores or reducing clock speeds. Step 5. Switch your GPU to MSI mode for lower latency. Your GPU and CPU communicate using interrupts, and MSI mode can make this communication faster. Download MSI Utility version 3, run it as administrator, locate your GPU in the list, check the MSI mode box, and set the interrupt priority to high. Only change the settings for your GPU and avoid modifying system-critical devices. This tweak can reduce GPU interrupt latency, resulting in smoother frame delivery during gameplay. Step 6. Disable Nagel's algorithm to reduce network latency. Nagel's algorithm can introduce delays in how your network handles small data packets, which is bad news for online gamers. To disable it, open the Registry Editor, navigate to the Network Interfaces section, and identify your active network adapter by matching its IP address. Create 2 new DWORD values inside the adapter folder. Name one TCP/ACK frequency and set its value to 1. Name the other TCP no delay and set its value to 1 as well. Restart your PC to apply the changes. This tweak reduces packet bundling, giving you a more responsive connection in online games. Step 7. Disable the Time Broker service to free up resources. The Time Broker service runs background tasks that you may not need, consuming valuable CPU and memory. To disable it, open the Registry Editor and navigate to the Time Broker service path. Find the start DWORD value, double-click it, and change its value to 4. This completely disables the service. Restart your PC to finalize the change, which will stop unnecessary background activities and improve overall system performance. Step 8. Disable SysMain, previously known as Superfetch. SysMain is a Windows service designed to preload frequently used apps into RAM. However, on systems with slower hard drives, this can lead to high disk usage spikes and memory bloat. To disable SysMain, open Command Prompt as administrator, type the command to stop SysMain, and then run the command to disable it permanently. This tweak prevents background disk activity that can slow down your system during gaming or multitasking. Step 9. Free up RAM instantly using RAM map. Windows often caches data in standby memory, which can consume RAM unnecessarily. Download RAM map, a free tool from Microsoft, and run it. Once open, navigate to the Empty menu and select Empty Standby List. This will clear cached memory, freeing up RAM instantly without needing to restart your PC. You can repeat this process whenever your system feels sluggish. Step 10. Disable background apps in Windows privacy settings. Many apps continue running in the background even when you are not using them, consuming both CPU and memory. Go to Windows Settings, open the Privacy section, and navigate to Background Apps. Turn off the apps you do not need running in the background. This tweak helps allocate more resources to your games and active programs. Step 11. Turn off Xbox Game Bar and Background Recording features. The Xbox Game Bar and Background Recording features consume system resources even if you are not actively using them. Go to Settings, open the Gaming section, and turn off Xbox Game Bar. Then, navigate to Captures and disable background recording and recorded audio. This will eliminate unnecessary background processes, reducing input lag and improving gaming performance. Step 12. Enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This tweak allows your GPU to manage its memory more efficiently, reducing latency and improving frame rates. Go to Settings, then System, and open Display Settings. Scroll down to Graphics Settings and enable Hardware Accelerated GPU Scheduling. This will offload certain GPU tasks from the CPU, leading to smoother gameplay. Step 13. Disable Core Isolation Memory Integrity. Core Isolation Memory Integrity is a security feature that can add CPU overhead and cause microstutters, especially in games. Open Windows Security, navigate to Device Security, and find Core Isolation Settings. Turn off Memory Integrity. This tweak frees up CPU resources and can result in smoother gaming performance, especially on lower-end systems. Step 14. Disable Fast Startup for a cleaner boot process. Fast Startup is designed to make your PC boot faster by partially hibernating, but it can lead to driver initialization issues. Go to Control Panel, open Power Options, select Choose what the power buttons do, and click Change Settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck Turn on Fast Startup and save your changes. This ensures your PC performs a full boot, leading to more stable performance, especially after applying system tweaks. Stack these 14 tweaks together, and your PC will feel noticeably faster, smoother, and more responsive. None of these require sketchy optimizers or risky hacks. These are safe, proven system-level changes that pro gamers use to squeeze out every last drop of performance. Try them out, and let me know in the comments how much FPS you gained. For more advanced optimization guides, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.